Here's my weight story. I started at 261 pounds years ago. I was 245 at the end of 2019. After spending nearly 4 years mourning the loss of my late wife, continuing to raise my son through high school, I decided to sell my house and move into my van and travel and start a new life. I lost 45 pounds down to 200 pounds December 2019. Over the last 3 years, I've lost another 20 pounds down to 180. That's a total of an 81-pound loss. But I decided I was so excited, I'm going to tell everybody about it. So I started this video channel on YouTube. And instead of moving around and working on the home and the property, I've been sitting and doing videos. So how do I keep losing weight? I didn't. I gained another 13. I'm back up to 193 now. So as of today, November 1st, until November 30th, 2022, I am going to knock that 13 pounds back off, get down to my 180 where I was, and then I'm going to continue this lifestyle and get down to 160, which was my goal from the beginning. It'll be a total of 101 pounds lost. I was 160 pounds when I went into the military when I was 27 years old, and I want to get back down to that. I know I did it before. I know I can do it again. I'm glad you're joining me on this process. Thanks for watching Whole Food Plant People. Please share your story in the comments.